Do you ever feel like your PC is slowing down over time? One big culprit could be temporary files piling up in the background. These files take up space and can make your computer sluggish. Hello everyone. I'm Mustafa from Valley 4 Tech's channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up your Windows PC to automatically delete temporary files every time it starts up. This quick and easy tip will help keep your system running fast and smooth without you lifting a finger. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open Notepad on your computer. You can do this by searching for Notepad in the Start menu, or by typing Notepad in the search bar. It is best to create a folder on your computer, then inside the folder right-click, select New, and then select Text Document. Give the file a name that indicates the function it will perform. For example, delete temporary files. Now, open the file and type the following commands inside it. First command: rd/s/q%temp%. rd, short for remove directory used to delete directories. /s, deletes the specified directory and all files and subfolders inside it. /q, enables quiet mode so that deletion occurs without requiring user confirmation. %temp%, environment variable that refers to the current user's temporary files folder. Function, this command deletes all files and folders inside the user's temporary files folder. The second command, md%temp%. md, short for make directory used to create a new directory. %temp% points to the same temporary files folder that was deleted in the previous step. Function, this command recreates the temporary files folder after deleting it to make sure it exists. The third command, rd/s/q, %systemroot%\temp. %systemroot%, environment variable that points to the main operating system folder, usually located in the C partition of the Windows folder. Temp, points to the system's temporary folder located inside the Windows folder. Function, deletes all temporary files in the system's temporary folder. Fourth command, md%systemroot%\temp. This command recreates the system temporary files folder, the same way it did with the user folder. Don't worry, I'll also provide these commands in the video description for easy access. Now you need to save this file as a batch file. Go to the File menu, and then select the Save As option. In the Save As Type drop-down, select All Files. Make sure to include .bat at the end of the file name. Finally, click Save. Inside the folder we created, we now have two files. The first is the text file in which we wrote the commands, and the second is the batch file that will execute those commands.
Now, we will set this file to run automatically when the computer starts. Open the Task Scheduler on your computer by typing Task Scheduler in the search bar. In the Task Scheduler, click on Create Basic Task from the menu on the right side. Name the task something that indicates what it does, such as delete temporary files. Then click Next. Select When Computer Starts as the trigger. Then click Next. Under the Action tab, select Start a Program. Then click Next. Click the Browse button, then locate the batch file you just created, then select it. Click the Next button. Then click the Finish button to create the task. To test if the batch file is working, double-click on the task you just created in the Task Scheduler to open it. Then, from the menu on the right, click on Run. You will notice a command prompt window appear in the taskbar. Now, check if your temporary files have been deleted by. Press Win plus R key, type in the command %temp% and press enter. You should find the folder empty now. That's it. Your computer will now automatically delete temporary files every time it starts. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel, activate the bell to receive all the new updates. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and I'll be happy to help. See you in the next video. Bye.